How to set auto reply on Facebook page Messenger. Open the Facebook page on your device. Then you have to click on Meta Business Suite at the left of the screen. Now again on the left of the screen, click on Inbox. Now you have to click on Automations at the top of the screen. Scroll down. Here you can see the option of Instant Reply. Click on Edit button and you have to locate Instant Reply button and make sure to toggle on the Instant Reply, and you have to select where you would like to use this automation. So select the channel and tick mark the messenger. After that, click on Save Changes button at the bottom right corner and you have successfully set auto reply on Facebook page Messenger. So that's it guys for today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.